With me today is Jesus Cara and Santiago, and they work in the sales department at Etiquetas de Mexico. Well, they manufacture products as labels, bag, and multiple packaging products. And let's start with some basics about your company. Could you tell us what products you manufacture?
We basically manufacture labels and printed bags.
Okay, and where are you located and how long have you been in business?
We're located in Hermosillo, Sonora, and in the business we're working like 50 years ago.
Okay, and how many people do you have in your staff today?
We are like 70 people, counting into the sales area and the producing area.
Okay, and have you produced goods for any large or well-known customer?
Yes, here in Mexico we produce for Bachoco, Norson, and more locally we produce for Cipra.
Okay, well, that's great. And are you already focused on the USA market?
In the company, yes, we already have a part of the company in the United States, located in Phoenix, Arizona. That place is most focusing in the US.
Okay, and what would you say is the difference between selling to the Mexican market and the American market?
Actually, there are a lot of difference between the persons that are in charge for sales and the type of product that they want.
Okay, well, right now a lot is changing on the global supply chain, and with so many companies looking for options outside of Asia, China, a lot of attention is coming to Mexico. Do you see this moment as an opportunity for a country, for Mexico, to play a bigger role in international trade?
Actually, yes, as for our product is for first class, so everyone that knows Etiquetas knows that our product is one of the best in the market. So they want us in the labels and the printed bags.
Okay, and as your company grows, do you have plans to expand your capacity, create more jobs, add new products? Like, what is like the future for Etiquetas de Mexico?
We implement new products as we can. We are generating jobs, and if the company grows, obviously we're gonna need more employees and more staff. So yes.
Yeah, yeah, that's great. Of course, like if the company grows, I'm sure like you will help the economy of the country, create more jobs. So that's really great. And well, this has been amazing, and we really appreciate you taking the time to introduce your company. And we'll be sure to link your Zipfox profile when we share the story. And we really appreciate you being on the platform because that's exactly what makes us great suppliers with good quality like you.
Thanks so much.